In today's video, I am going to teach you command not showing on screen, and how to show command on screen, and why command not show in AutoCAD. If your command prompts aren't visible, it usually comes down to one of two things. The command line window has been hidden, or dynamic input, which shows prompts near your cursor, is turned off. I'll walk you through both and explain why they matter, so you can get back to drafting without the guesswork. First, let's bring back the command line window if the text box at the bottom of your screen has disappeared. On Windows, press Ctrl+9. On a Mac, press Command+3. This shortcut toggles the command line on and off, so press it once to show it. If it was accidentally closed, minimized, or floating off screen, this command is the quickest way to restore it. If you still don't see it, don't worry. AutoCAD listens for keyboard input even when the box is hidden. Type command line and press enter. You won't see the letters as you type, but AutoCAD will still register them and force the command line window to reappear. A quick tip: press escape once before you type, just to make sure no other command is active. Then enter command line. You can use uppercase or lowercase. AutoCAD treats them the same when the window returns. You can keep it docked at the bottom so it's harder to lose again. Next, if you can type commands but the text only shows up in the bottom bar and not next to your cursor, you likely have dynamic input turned off. Press F12 to toggle dynamic input. When it's on, you'll see prompts and dimensions right where your mouse is, which speeds up input and reduces eye travel. On some laptops you may need to hold the FN key with F12, depending on your keyboard settings. You can also confirm this from the status bar in the bottom right corner. Look for the dynamic input icon, which looks like a small crosshair and box. If it's there, click it to turn it on. If you don't see it at all, click the three horizontal lines labeled Customization. Then check Dynamic Input to add the icon to your status bar. Once it's visible, make sure it's enabled so commands and dimension fields show up at your cursor. Taste all to it. Thanks for watching.